A very good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing your studies well. So, before starting to the explanation of chapter 3 of English literature, ma'am will be giving you some of the instructions today regarding with the FA1 exam. Okay, children, आपको कुछ main instructions दिया जाएगा, important instructions दिया जाएगा. You must follow these instructions very carefully. Okay, so as you all know that on the coming Sunday, 16/8/2020, your English first, second exam will be there from 8 to 9 o'clock. आप सब जानते हैं जो आने वाला संडे है 16/8/2020 को आपका FA1 का एग्जाम होगा 8 to 9 o'clock. द टाइम पीरियड इज इम्पोर्टेंट. उस टाइम पीरियड के अंदर ही आपको अपने एग्जाम्स को फिनिश करना है. एंड देयर आर सम मोर इंस्ट्रक्शन. लिसन केयरफुली. फर्स्ट थिंग चिल्ड्रन, देयर विल बी वन क्वेश्चन पेपर फॉर योर इंग्लिश फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, एंड इट विल बी डिवाइडेड एज टू सेक्शंस, इंग्लिश फर्स्ट सेक्शन A and English second section B. And your English first will be for 5 marks and English second will be for 5 marks. English first आपका 5 marks का होगा और English second आपका 5 marks का होगा, और दोनों एक ही क्वेश्चन पेपर में दो सेक्शन में आएगा. द नेक्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, ओके, जहां पर आप अपने आंसर लिखते हो वहां पर क्वेश्चन को आपको दोबारा लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है. यू शुड नॉट राइट द क्वेश्चन अगेन. आपको क्वेश्चन दोबारा नहीं लिखना है. मैम इसलिए इस बात को रिपीट कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आपके पास टाइम लिमिट है. उस टाइम लिमिट के अंदर आपको पेपर सॉल्व करके सेंड करना है. डोंट कॉपी द क्वेश्चन इन द आंसर पेपर. यू जस्ट ओनली राइट द आंसर. आपको सिर्फ आंसर ही लिखना है. बट पुट द करेक्ट नंबर इन द आंसर शीट. लेकिन आपको करेक्ट नंबरिंग करेक्ट करना है. फर्स्ट आंसर को फर्स्ट ही लिख के करना है. सेकंड आंसर के आगे सेकंड ही लिखना है. इफ नंबर इज रॉन्ग then your marks will be cut. Number. And third thing, you must write your FA1 paper, okay, FA1 exam in your notebook. आपको आपका अपना FA1 का पेपर जो बनाओगे वो नोटबुक के अंदर ही आपको पेपर देना है. Clear children? And that photo you will be sending in the group. Next thing, when you are writing the exam, okay, write with neat and tidy handwriting. For writing the first answer, leave one line, then go for the second answer. एक आंसर लिखने के बाद आप एक लाइन को छोड़कर सेकंड आंसर पे जाएं. क्लियर? सबको एक साथ मिला के नहीं लिखना. You should not write everything together. Right? Next, after finishing the exam, you have to send it back on the group. When you are sending it, okay, you must take the photo very clearly. आपको आपका फोटो जो लिया जा रहा है उसे क्लियरली लेना है. आपको पहले लेके उसे चेक करना है. हर एक वर्ड्स मैम को अच्छे से समझ आना चाहिए. एंड इट्स कंपल्सरी टू राइट योर नेम एंड क्लास एंड सेक्शन विथ डेट इन ईच एंड एवरी पेजेस इन द टॉप ऑफ द पेपर वेयर यू आर राइटिंग. कई लोग व्हाट्सएप में जब होमवर्क भेजते हैं, आपका होमवर्क भेजने के बाद वो नीचे लिख देते हैं, अलग से टेक्स्ट मैसेज करते हैं नाम और क्लास. वैसे नहीं लिखना है. आपको जिस पेज में आप लिख रहे हो उस पेज का ऊपर ही आपको नाम, क्लास, सेक्शन, डेट के साथ आपको हर पेजेस में लिखना है. एंड सेंड एज PDF. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आई थिंक यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड इट. द सिलेबस लेट मी टेल. English first syllabus, chapter 1 and chapter 2. All the question answers you have to learn and all the exercise you have to learn. Word meaning will not be coming for this FA1 and it will be coming for the further exams. Word meaning नहीं आएगा, poem के question answers नहीं आएंगे. Remaining chapter 1, chapter 2, all the question answers and all the exercise and first 4 lines of the poem books you have to learn. आपको पहला 4 lines of the books आपको learn करना है. And next is and English second syllabus, chapter 1 and 2 completely you have to learn. Okay, all the exercises you have to practice it. And if you have any queries on this, any topic, you may ask in the query group during these days. In this week itself, you have to ask me and clear out the doubts. Ma'am will help you to clear all your doubts. Okay, children, and so these are the instructions for you. I think you all understood these instructions. Please follow the instructions very carefully, and your answer sheet when you are sending it should be very clear. Continue to do hard work for your exam and be faithful, be sincere when you are writing the exam. Okay, children? Okay. Now, in the previous class, we were learning from chapter 3, A Rupee Goes a Long Way. We were learning about a young boy, Renji, and he had an all 1 rupee coin. He went to Jamuna sweet shop to buy jalebis, but the coin was not in use, so he couldn't buy jalebis. And by the way back, he met his friend Mohinder, and they exchanged their fishing rod and the coin. Then further he went for fishing. Then while he was coming back, he met a boy. He was playing flute. So till here we were learned in the last class up to page number 26, and today we are going to learn from page number 27. Okay, everyone open your English first book to page number 27. The first line, I will be reading for you. Please look at there carefully. So here in the page number 26, in the final last lines, we were discussed that this Renji met with a boy who was playing flute, and they started to talk each other. Yes? Okay. Did you catch anything? The boy who was playing with the flute, he is asking to Renji. Did you catch anything? No, said Renji. I didn't stay very long. Now, Renji is telling that, no, I didn't stay very long. But what is the reality there? वहाँ का reality क्या है? Renji को कुछ fish नहीं मिला या वहाँ पे fish ही नहीं था. There was no fish because the river was shallow and it was just a muddy stream. But here telling a lie. I didn't stay very long. वो ऐसे बता रहा वहाँ पर नहीं था नहीं बोल रहा, but he is telling I didn't stay very long. वहाँ पर मैं ज़्यादा देर नहीं रुका था. Then there was a long silence. Then after telling there was a long silence, then Renji said, it's a good rod. ये rod बहुत अच्छा है. That boy said that this is a good flute, said the boy. Now boy is telling this is a good flute, and Renji is telling this is a good rod. Renji took the flute and examined it. Renji took the flute from that boy's hand. उस लड़के के हाथ से उसने फ्लूट को लिया, उसे अच्छे से एग्जामिन किया, देखा अच्छे से. He put it to his lips and blew hard. He started to blow the flute. There was a shrill, squeaky noise, and a startled Maxie flew out of a mango tree. So there was a bird, Maxie. It was sitting on the mango tree. By hearing the shrill, squeaky noise, okay, जो चीखने का जैसे एक आवाज आया, चीखी चीख का शोर, वो सुनते, this bird surprised suddenly and in an unpleasant way, not in a good way, and it started to fly away from there. Not bad, said Renji. Now seeing that, Renji is telling, not bad. The boy had taken the rod from Renji and was looking it over. Not bad, he said. Now the boy took the rod from Renji and he also looking it over. He started to look here and there, telling that, not bad, he said. Renji hesitated no longer. Renji did not wait anymore. Renji ज़्यादा देर तक wait नहीं किया. Let's exchange. He said to that boy, you give me that flute, I'll give this fishing rod to you. Let's say exchange. A trade was made. Okay, there was an exchange between the two things were made there. The boy took the fishing rod and went on his way. Renji began playing the flute. So now the boy took the fishing rod and went on his way. Then the boy took that fishing rod and he started to move away from there. Renji began playing the flute. So Renji became so happy he could get that flute. He started to play that flute. The notes sounded lovely to him, but they startled people who were passing on the road. The notes sounded lovely to him, but they startled people who were passing on the road. Now here, just listen. He was feeling it very lovely. उसको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, लेकिन जो लोग रोड से जा रहे थे, उन्होंने suddenly surprise होकर उन्हें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था by hearing that way of playing the flute. Okay. When he came to the clock tower, where the bazaar begins, he sat on the low wall and blew vigorously on the flute. So finally he reached near to the bazaar, okay, and he came near to the clock tower. So the clock tower was in the bazaar. He sat on the law wall. Can you see in the picture? He is sitting in a law wall and he started to blow it vigorously. He just started to blow the flute with full of energy. उसका पूरा ताकत लगा के उसने उस फ्लूट को बजाने शुरू किया. I can play better than that, said a boy who was carrying several empty milk cans. So there was a boy just passing that way. By hearing the voice of this flute, the boy said that I can play better than that. How you are playing? I can play better than you. The boy, one who was carrying the milk cans, he said. Let's see. Renji said, okay, then let's see. Come to the page number 27. The boy took the flute and played a lovely little tune. So here, by hearing the voice coming out of the flute, the passengers, those who were going near to our Renji, was feeling unpleasant. Okay, they were startled. But here the boy took the flute and he started to play a lovely little tune. He started to play better than Renji. That's what. You can have it for ₹1, said Renji. Now what Renji is telling, you can take it, but you must give me ₹1. Now the boy is replying back, I don't have any money to spare, said the boy. Now the boy is telling, I don't have any extra money to give you. Okay, but you can have this necklace. He showed Renji a pretty necklace of brightly colored stones. So this boy is telling that I don't have any money to pay you, but I have a necklace. Necklace is the one ornament which wearing on the neck. Okay, he was telling I have a necklace, but you can have this. You take this and give me that flute. He showed Renji a pretty necklace. Pretty means beautiful. Okay, and it was of brightly colored stones, and in the necklace it was fixed with brightly colored stones. The stones are very precious, said the boy. The boy is telling that stones बहुत precious है, बहुत मूल्य है इस stones का. They were found in the mountains near Tibet. These stones you can found only near the mountain near Tibet. Tibet place के near एक mountain है, वहां पर ही सिर्फ इस necklace में लगाया गया stones आपको मिलेगा. Come to the next para. Renji knew the stones had little value, but they were pretty. Renji भी जानता था वो stones को देखे they are little value, कुछ मूल्य है, but they were really pretty. Okay, but it was really beautiful. And he was tired of the flute, and by playing the flute, Renji got tired, so he was feeling to exchange it. Okay, again he wants to exchange. They made the exchange, and the boy went off playing the flute. Now again, our Renji made an exchange with that milk can boy. He took the necklace and he gave the flute to him. Renji was about to thrust the necklace into his pocket when he noticed a girl staring at him. Okay, thrust means he took that necklace and he was pushed quickly. It was just immediately he wants to keep inside the pocket. तुरंत ही उसे अंदर रखने का कोशिश कर रहा था. He noticed a girl. Okay, उसने एक girl को देखा staring at him. She was just looking at him very carefully. बहुत ध्यान से उसे देख रही थी. Her name was Koki. So what was the name of that girl? Koki. And she lived close to his house. And where she was living, you know, she was his neighbor. She was living near to his house. वो उसकी पड़ोसी थी. Hello Koki, he said. He's telling, hi, hello Koki. What's that you have got, Renji? Now that girl is asking, what's that in your hand? What did you get? A necklace. Would you like to have it? Now this boy is telling that it's a necklace and would you like to have? क्या आपको ये पसंद आ गया? आपको चाहिए क्या? Oh, thank you, said Koki, clapping her hands with pleasure. She thought that he will give that necklace to her freely. So by hearing that, she became very happy and she started clapping her hands. ₹1, said Renji. And now Renji is telling, I will not give you freely. You have to give me ₹1. Oh, said Koki. She made a face, but Renji was looking the other way and humming. Now, this girl, she made a face. She's just showing that I'm not happy with giving you ₹1, but I need that necklace. मुझे वो necklace चाहिए, लेकिन मैं आपको ₹1 देने में खुश नहीं हूँ. But this Renji was looking at the other side. जब उस लड़की से पूछने के बाद Renji अपना दूसरा साइड में देखे, इसे मन में ही गाना गा रहा था. Humming, he was humming. By crossing his lips, he was singing the song. Koki kept staring at the necklace. Koki was continuously, she was staring at the necklace, watching, yeah, looking at the necklace. Slowly she opened a little purse. Okay, slowly she opened a little purse. Little purse ko khola, took out a shining new rupee and held it out to Renji. She took a new rupee coin and it given to Renji. Renji handed her the necklace. So here then once again an exchange is happening. Okay, she gave a 1 rupee coin and Renji gave him what he gave, a necklace. Okay. Then he ran across to the Jamna sweet shop and tossed the coin on the counter. So by getting that 1 rupee, he just remembered his jalebis. Okay, he was doing this all exchange for to buy that jalebi. So he पूरा exchanging कर रहा था, उसको jalebis चाहिए था. Jalebis for a rupee, he said. He went to the counter and he's telling that jalebis for a rupee. 1 रुपए के लिए jalebis लेना. The sweet seller studied the coin carefully. Okay, again the sweet seller started to look at the coin carefully and said, and he is telling that always at your service, sir. He is telling हमेशा आपका सेवा में है. He filled a paper bag with hot jalebis and handed them over. And what the shopkeeper did, you know, filled a paper bag with hot jalebis. When Renji reached the clock tower, okay, by taking the jalebis from there, he reached the clock tower. He found Koki waiting. Koki did not go from there, okay, because she knew that Renji will go and buy jalebis and he will be back. So she was waiting there. She is also so cunning, okay. Oh, I am so hungry, she said, giving him a shy smile. By looking at him, she was smiling and saying that, oh, I am feeling so hungry. That girl is very cunning, isn't it? She gave her 1 rupee and she was waiting there to eat jalebis with whom? Renji. So they sat side by side on the log wall. They both sat together on the wall and Koki helped Renji finish the jalebis. And this Koki helped. Renji wanted to eat the jalebis, but Koki helped him to finish the jalebis. It's an interesting story. I think you all understood it. Now, if you have any doubt on it, you may ask and you start memorizing for the FA7 exam. All the best. Study hard and give the best on your exam. Okay, children? Take care, stay home, stay safe.